In this video, I will show you how you can create a pricing page where you can have monthly and, for example, yearly pricing. The prices change, you can customize the links and all the content based on monthly, yearly, or like quarterly if you plan to do that. So let's get in the video. So I prepared a new page and I will quickly show you which parts do you need and how it's basically working. So we have a headline and we have one row with the pricing table from GoHighLevel inside. You can see here, you can just use that. In the example I showed you before, I built it in a different way, which was like one row with 3 columns, and I just built out the entire pricing page like here, but GoHighLevel has the feature inside, so you can simply use that. Or you can build your own. It works both ways because the effect is applied on the row, so it doesn't matter what's inside. Just so you know that. So right now we need 3 parts of code. So the first one will be added below the pricing tag. You will get all the code down below. I will give it to you completely for free for the start. My channel is really small at the moment, but I will plan to sell that code in future. So if you are early, make sure you subscribe and you get this code completely for free. So the first code we add is this one. You don't need to remember anything of that. As I said, you will get it down below. Basically, the first code will determine what will be changed. So we will set up annually and monthly pricing, and with that code we can define which one of them is monthly and which one is annually. Then we add a new part of the code. This one will be the toggle. So this one basically says monthly. Not sure if that's spelled correct, but it doesn't matter. And that's basically the checkbox. So if you want to change it, you can say like, for example, monthly and quarterly, if that's what you like. And yeah, that can be set up here. Next, we have to set up some custom CSS, which basically defines the design. So on here, let me search for it. There is a way to like change the color of the slider. You can see it here. Input checked and focus. So here's basically the color. So you can change the background of the color from the switch. So you can change the switch color, which is I think white, and also the background of it. This one is an orange, I think. And so we save that. And now when we have added all the code, I quickly show you how to do it. So I go inside the pricing table and change the names. So to make it really easy, I change the pricing plans to monthly, so you can easily see how the toggle works. So I now edited the pricing table, so you can see it's like monthly showing right now. And the thing we need to do right now to enable basically the annual view is making a copy of the entire row. And I quickly go in and change the names to yearly. So the prices are now changed to yearly, and now we will apply the effect. So it basically works with custom classes, which also can be found in the custom code. So we quickly open that, and then I'll show you how to enable that. So we have the monthly plan. So we go to the row with the monthly plan and apply that. Then we go back to the custom code. We get the annual plan, go here, edit custom class, and enter the custom class. So right now we have the issue that both are showing at the same time, and within the custom CSS is some code that hides one of them. So for the yearly plan, we enter hide, and now we only can see the monthly. And that's basically it. So I quickly save that and we preview it, and then I show you how it looks. So that's the preview of what we have currently built. So you can see the toggle. That's what I mean. Like the background is orange right now, but in the CSS you can change it to whatever color you want. You also can change the toggle color, which is white right now. And as you can see, we can see the monthly view right now. And if we switch it to annually, it switches to the yearly view. For your understanding, what's happening right now is basically when you switch that to monthly, the monthly view is showing, which we defined in the backend. And if you switch it to annually, annually is shown and the monthly is hidden. And that's basically it. So you can go in here, for example, and edit the monthly view. You can add like your own pricing for like the pricing page, or you have one pricing page and you send them all to one page. It's however you like it. If you want to make edits to the hidden one, so the annual plan, you have to go into layers and then select the layer because you can't see it here anymore. But you can select it in the layers, click on the row and remove the hide feature, and you will be able to edit that one as well again. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe. You get the code completely for free in the description. Yeah, we will see us on the next video. Ciao.